wabarakatuh.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
We are from Carlos Vocational High School. I am Imas, and these are my friends, Binu and Gita. I would you like to have an interview with you. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Well, my name is Anissa Fadila and I like being called Icha. I was born in Majalengka on 6 July 1993. I come from Cipinang and I'm currently living in Bandung.
What is your hobby?
My hobbies are watching movies, listening to music, and many more.
Where have you been studying?
I have been studying in UPI Bandung as Indonesia University of Education.
What major have you chosen?
I've chosen English education as my major.
It is difficult to study English.
Not really, I think.
Why do you choose English education as your major?
Well, because I love English and being an English lecturer and English teacher is becomes my idea since I was in elementary school. So I prefer to choose English.
Why do you choose to study in Bandung?
Bandung because I like Bandung. Bandung is well known as well known for its culinary, well known for its tourism, and also Bandung has a good weather, a perfect weather. So I think it is best if I stay in Bandung and studying there.
What subject do you learn in your college?
In my college, in my college, I've learned so many subjects such as, of course, the English subjects such as English skill, listening, reading, writing, and speaking in professional context and academic purposes, also English for specific purposes, translating, interpreting, and many more.
What is the most difficult subject?
Most difficult subject, I think interpreting, because interpreting needs many abilities such as speaking, listening, and we have to have a good ability on listening, speaking, also reading, because the interpreting process is the oral translation when we listen to other people's speech and then we record it in our brain and then we can taking notes. Also after that, we what's that? We retelling the retelling the retelling the speech. So I think it's the most difficult because we need extra skill to be good in it.
What is interpreting?
Interpreting, as I said before, interpreting is an oral translation from the source language to target language, such as from English to Indonesian. In interpreting process, we listen to other people's speech and then we record it in our brain and then we taking notes. After that, we retell the speech.
What is your interest in learning English?
Sorry?
What is your interest
Interest.
in learning
Interest. My interest in learning English is because English is an international language. So I like to learn something new. Like because and English is spoken by many other country and we can get a new vocabulary from English. And besides that, we can learn English with fun, such as while watching movies, listening to music, and another activity that spoken in English.
What is the advantage of English?
The advantages of English, as we we know that English is an international language. So we can, so English can help people to communicate and and using the language as a media to speak to another people who cannot speak our mother tongue, our mother language, such as Indonesian. So it can be a media to people from a multilingual background. After that, English also can help us to speaking job because there are so many companies that need people who can speak English and to have a cooperation with foreigners like that.
Do you learn some teaching and learning techniques in the college? If you yes, what are they?
Yes, I learned learning and teaching techniques in my college because as a teacher wannabe, we need to understand the situation. The situation when we teach. So to know the techniques of teaching is really important, and we are told about that.
How to overcome or say that speaking English is difficult?
To overcome, well, the first thing is making suggestion that English is not difficult. We can give our good suggestion to our mind that English is easy, and we can learn English with fun, such as what I said before, while watching movies and then listening to English songs, also playing games with the English instruction. Uh, yes, learning English is not really serious. We can learn with fun, and also we can learn with fun, and yeah, happy with that English.
Would you mind to give us some tips in learning English?
Some tips in learning English. Well, as I said before, the first things is we have to give the good suggestion to our mind that English is easy, not difficult. Also, studying English, we can study English with fun. Maybe we can learn and practice speaking by practicing speaking with our friends, and then we can also practice speaking to the mirror, talking to the mirror, and besides that, to what's that? Besides that, we can also learning English by some interest activities such as what I said before, listening to music, and then listening to English music, and then watching English movie and playing games with the English instructions. And the other thing that we can highlight is we can learn English with fun, and then keep our concentration. Yes, I think like that.
Thank you for your time. Enjoy your day. See you.
Okay, see you.